Good morning, dear learners. Myself, Yogesh Ashok Kanade, lecturer at Dhule Charitable Society's Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhule. Our today's topic is antiseptics and disinfectants. Before that, in short, we will understand the meaning of the word chemotherapy. Chemotherapy means the drugs which are obtained from plant or animal source and which has been used in inhibiting or destroying the microorganisms which causes diseases in human beings or animals. It is also used in treatment of cancer cells. These drugs are used, for example, to kill the microorganism Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which causes tuberculosis in human beings. Then it is used to destroy the cancer cells. If you see the history of chemotherapeutic agents, chemicals have been used in the treatment of infectious disease for many centuries, and the occasional properties of soils, plants, and other materials containing living organisms and bacteria were recognized by people in the past. Anti-infective drug for treatment of systemic infections was put on a rational basis by a German chemist named as Paul Ehrlich at the early of the 20th century. The pioneer research work carried out by German scientists, many chemicals were known which eradicated infections when applied topically as antiseptics and disinfectants, but those were too toxic for internal administration for systemic infections because of their toxic effects or side effects. Later on, Paul Ehrlich synthesized hundreds of chemicals and tested them on laboratory animals injected with pathogenic organisms. Pathogenic organisms means whatever chemicals which were synthesized by Paul Ehrlich, these chemicals were administered in an animals which were previously injected with microorganisms. Finally, a drug was proved or a chemical was proved in this experiment safe enough for treating patients with syphilis. Therefore, Paul Ehrlich is recognized as a father of chemotherapy because he was the first scientist who has discovered a drug which can be used in the treatment of a disease known as syphilis. In the year 1935, another German scientist named as Domack reported that red azo dye, that is protonsil, was capable of protecting the mice against streptococcal infection. This led to the introduction of sulfonamides, which were effective against infections caused by streptococci, staphylococci, pneumococci, etc. Later on, Sir Alexander Fleming, who was working at St. Mary's Hospital, London, noted that some colonies of Staphylococci were inhibited when the medium was contaminated by another mold, which was later on discovered as Penicillium notatum. This research led to the introduction of penicillin. That means these are the agents, chemotherapeutic agents, or chemotherapy means the drugs which can be used to inhibit, to destroy, or which causes diseases or disorders in animals with having minimum side effects on healthy living tissues. This term applies to the use of both natural and synthetic chemicals to interfere with the functioning of foreign cell populations. Below you can see the various classes of chemotherapeutic agents according to their use in the treatment of a disease: antiseptic, disinfectants, sulfonamides, antibiotics, antimycobacterial agents. Antimycobacterial agents subclassified into two classes: antitubercular agents, antileprotic agents. Then next, that is antiprotozoal agents. It is also subclassified into two classes: antiamoebic agents, antimalarial agents. Then next, that is anthelmintics, antifungal agents, and last one, that is antineoplastic agents. These are the various chapters which we are going to cover under the head that is chemotherapeutic agents or chemotherapy. Let us start with today's first topic, that is antiseptics and disinfectants. Antiseptic, the name itself, anti means it is going to act against the sepsis. What is the meaning of antiseptics? The drugs that destroy or inhibit the growth of microorganisms when applied to living tissues are known as antiseptics. The name itself, anti means against, septic means that is sepsis. These are the drugs which can be used to prevent the sepsis or which can be used to control the sepsis, and these drugs are applied on human beings or animals to destroy or to prevent the growth of microorganisms. Example: cetrimide, chloroxylenol. The next one, that is disinfectants. These are the drugs which is going to kill a vegetative bacteria when they are applied on inanimate objects. Inanimate objects means non-living things. For example, killing of microorganisms on floor, then instruments, surgical equipments, etc. Disinfection, that is to disinfect it. Example: chlorocresol, formaldehyde solution. Then next one, that is preservatives. Preservatives means they are used in pharmaceutical preparations to prevent their degradation by microorganisms, hence they are known as preservatives. For example, in ophthalmic solution or ophthalmic suspensions, we use benzalkonium chloride as a preservative. This benzalkonium chloride prevents the degradation of eye drops. Then what will be the definition? Simple one: drugs that prevent the biological destruction of pharmaceutical preparations are known as preservatives. Example: benzalkonium chloride. Then next, that is classification. First class, phenols and related compounds. Example: liquefied phenol, chlorocresol, chloroxylenol, hexachlorophene. Second one, alcohol and related compounds: ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol. Then aldehyde containing antiseptic disinfectant, that is formaldehyde solution. Carboxylic acid functional group containing benzoic acid, methyl parahydroxybenzoate. Halogen atom containing antiseptic disinfectants, chloramine, iodoform. Heavy metal compounds, example thiomercyl, silver protein. Quaternary ammonium compounds means at the center there is a presence of your ammonia group, example cetrimide, benzalkonium chloride. Dyes which are used for the purpose of coloring, some of them are used as antiseptic and disinfectants, example proflavin, brilliant green. The next one, that is nitrofuran derivatives, presence of furan heterocyclic ring and a nitro group, therefore it is named as nitrofuran derivatives, example nitrofurantoin. First one, that is liquefied phenol. Liquefied phenol is having a chemical composition 800 gram of phenol and liquefied water quantity sufficient at 2000 ml. It is prepared by melting phenol on hot water bath. Then sufficient quantity of water is added to produce required weight and mixed. I will take phenol at a room temperature. Phenol is in a solid state. Therefore, by heating it on water bath, this solid state is converted into a liquid state. Required quantity of phenol is taken, and in that I mixed quantity sufficient of your purified water up to the required strength, that is your liquefied phenol. Properties: it is colorless or faintly pink liquid. Characteristic odor: it is very soluble in ethanol, in glycerin, but soluble in water. When liquefied phenol is reacted with bromine water, liquefied phenol gets converted into tribromophenol, means at the positions 2, 4 and 6 there is a presence of your bromine group. If you draw the structure of tribromophenol, phenol the structure का benzene ring, at first position hydroxy group is present. In that, at second, fourth and sixth position there is a presence of your bromine when it is reacted with your bromine water. Uses: it is used for dressing of small wounds, in treatment of mouth ulcers, to get relief from itching, and in dentistry it is used as an analgesic. Official preparation: phenol and glycerin injection BP, oily phenol injection which is official in your British Pharmacopoeia, and brand name, that is typhoside 40, it is a brand name of your liquefied phenol. Then the next drug, that is chlorocresol. Next drug, that is chlorocresol. If you see the structure of chlorocresol, the basic ring which is present, that is your phenol, benzene ring, and at first position hydroxy group is present, we call it as a phenol. Then numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If you will see, at third position methyl group is present, and at fourth position chloro group is present. Therefore, now write down the chemical name in alphabetical order followed by their positions. Therefore, the chemical name 4-chloro-3-methyl phenol. Properties: it occurs as colorless crystals or white crystalline powder. Characteristic odor: it is very soluble in ethanol, freely soluble in water, slightly soluble in ether. It easily dissolves in solutions of alkali hydroxides, example sodium hydroxide. Uses: it is used as bactericide and fungicide in sterilization process. Now in first year you have studied the topic sterilization. Sterilization is done by three methods: physical method, chemical method and mechanical method. Now in chemical method you can use chlorocresol for the purpose of sterilization. It is also used as a pharmaceutical aid due to microbial properties in paste, cream, and other preparations which are meant for external use. Stability storage, it is oxidized by atmospheric oxygen and affected by light, hence stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Official preparation, chlorocresol solution, which is official in your IP and BP. Brand names, Tinifax and Beflex injection are the trade names or brand names of chlorocresol. Then the next drug, that is chloroxylenol. If you see the structure of chloroxylenol and if I compare this structure with the structure of chlorocresol, I will see only one difference. In structure of chlorocresol, at 5th position methyl group is absent, and in case of chloroxylenol, at 5th position methyl group is present. The remaining structure of both the drug is same. Hence, what is the change in the chemical name? At 4th position chloro group is present, at 3rd and 5th position methyl group is present, therefore 3,5-dimethyl, and the basic structure that is of your phenol, therefore 4-chloro 3,5-dimethyl, and the basic structure that is phenol. Properties, it is white or creamy white crystals or crystalline powder. Characteristic odor, it is freely soluble in ethanol, soluble in ether, very slightly soluble in water. It dissolves in solutions of alkali hydroxides. Uses as an antiseptic in case of cuts, wounds, etc. To disinfect hands of surgeon and instruments in 70% alcohol. Stability storage, it is affected by air and light, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Official preparation, chloroxylenol solution, which is official near IP and BP. And the famous brand name or trade name, that is your Dettol. Dettol, one of the ingredient present, that is your chloroxylenol, and second one, that is Dettolene. Then the next drug, that is hexachlorophane. If you see the structure of hexachlorophane, there are two phenol basic rings which are interlinked with each other by a common methylene group, and at 3rd, 4th and 6th position, at both the side 3, 4 and 6th position, a chloro group is present. Therefore, I will write down the chemical name. This methylene group is present at a 2nd position. Therefore, 2, 2 methylene. Bis means in a structure when some similar groups are present at both the sides, in a chemical name the word is used, that is bis, and then write down the name, that is 3, 4, 6. How many chloro groups are present? 3 at both the sides, therefore 3, 4, 6 trichlorophenol. Properties, it occurs as white or pale buff colored crystalline powder. Characteristic odor, it is very soluble in ethanol, slightly soluble in water. It dissolves in solutions of alkali hydroxides. Hexachlorophane, when treated with ferric chloride, it is going to give a purple color, and if treated with sodium hydroxide, then sodium salt of hexachlorophane is formed. Uses, it is used against wide range of gram positive and gram negative organism. It is used to disinfect hands of surgeon, and for an disinfectant effect it is present in creams, dusting powders, ointments, soaps, etc. It is also used to reduce bacterial flora on skin. Stability storage, it is affected by air and light, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Official preparation: hexachlorophane mixture BP, hexachlorophane liquid soap BP, concentrated hexachlorophane solution BP, hexachlorophane dusting powder BPC. Brand name: Zaplon, Sterzak, Fishcheck. These are your trade names or brand names. Therefore, in today's lecture, we have seen the meaning of chemotherapy, the various topics which we are going to cover in chemotherapy, and the first chapter, that is antiseptic disinfectants, definition, classification, and we have completed 4 drugs: liquefied phenol, chlorocresol, chloroxylenol, hexachlorophane. Thank you.